and welcome to Perl's Basic Cooking Show. Today we have another special guest. Let's see who it is.
Hello.
Hi, this is our smiley face emoji dude, and his name is Hamish.
Hello.
He's our special guest because he's my friend.
Good job. Okay, so today we are going to be showing you how to make a cup of water with the easy way. You don't have to walk over to a tap. You have to walk slightly less as far to a fridge.
Yes.
We'll see you there in about 5 seconds. No, less. Okay.
Two.
Yeah.
First you need a cup. Then you need a fridge, especially one without a water dispenser. Then you need a smiley pumpkin man. No one else will do. You need to pick up your glass. Thank you, smiley man. Then you'll need your person to fill it with ice. Person? Fill it up the whole way to make it really, really cold because this is
And then you need to drink it. Way too cold.
Sorry.
But it's still nice. I'll drink it. And have a frozen head. But, I mean, I'm a pumpkin.
Oh.
We'll change this to a frozen head now, if possible. I don't know. Yeah. That was.
Get ready for the end. Bye.
What?
It's part 2 time. Yay.
Part 2. The ice is dead now. Poor ice. Determined to live, but destroyed by the vicious Perl.
One RIP in the chat.
Or like, or subscribe.
Yeah, sure.
To say, okay, because we have a surprise that we will tell everybody at the end of the video. It's going to be a really awesome video we're going to be making.
Hi.
Anyway, yeah. So we will see you in the kitchen when Perl is finished.
Hi everyone, welcome to Perl's Basic Cooking Show, episode 2. Insert flashy thing. We also have Hamish back. Hamish, where are you?
Anyway, yeah. And by the way, it's part 2 of episode 6, isn't it? Or 7?
I think it's episode 6. If I'm wrong, that's going to be embarrassing.
Whatever, it's part of the show.
Yeah, nobody can see what you're doing.
Yeah, anyway, that's all good. So, anyway, we're going to be... Okay, place your guess in the comments to see if you can guess what we're going to be making with this, and which is cordial, and not this, because I thought this was apple juice, but it's not apple juice, so never mind.
That's rice bran oil.
I know, I just found that out. And some other stuff that we're going to get from the cupboard of awesomeness. Yeah, so...
Don't reveal my cupboard.
I won't, because it's so awesome. So we will see you when we've got everything, and we'll put the rice bran oil back. Bye!
Hi everyone, we're not going to tell you what you need because that would reveal the surprise of what's going to happen.
But they're going to see what we're using, aren't they?
Well, whatever.
They can see, wait, stop. They must see the white lid.
What's behind that white lid? Comment in the comments. Pause the video. We're more.
It says... And it's...
Remember the saying.
And that's probably because
it's so awesome.
This video is too awesome. He's sad that he wasn't here right now. We're so sorry,
He's
Paris.
sad that he had to have nap time and not and not be with us and be awesome.
Anyway, so we will reveal this stuff when we will reveal this really weird white lid thing at the very end. Otherwise, you can know everything else right now. We will have cordial, because we're making the perfect cordial, which is now backwards because of the camera. We will be adding honey, and I'm going to be drinking this. We will be adding water from the fridge, because other than the fridge. So we walk to the fridge, and also it's cooler because you don't have to like turn the tap on and off. You just have to put your cup there and then take it away. Everything's awesome. So humans are lazy these days, if you know what I mean.
You're very good at this.
Okay, so okay, so first ingredient we're adding will be actually Pearl. Can you please? We're gonna bring the camera down.
I'll go.
Okay, we've got our cup, we've got our cordial.
Bring that closer to the cup because we can't see it. Oh no, you shook it up. That looks like. Oh no.
Okay, so how about this? First, we add the water, and I'll be taking a sip of everything at one time. So over here.
Why?
Anyway, so water. Tastes good enough, right? Because it's water. In fact, it's gonna have a little more. My water.
Are you okay, Hamish?
It's my water.
Do you need to go to the asylum?
No, it's my water.
Are you gonna come back?
Yeah, I've done my water. Sorry about that. That was very done. Now, this is a little bit.
Going to edit this.
Okay, so this is very hard work. If it gets wrong, it will spill everywhere, and you will be yelled at by your parents, unless you are an adult and.
You're watching some kids do things. Why are you here, you weirdo?
Hey! They're allowed to be here. They could be subscribed.
Oh, I'm so sorry, my faithful subscriber, my king. I'm so sorry, boss.
What if it's a girl?
Queen. Kingish, queenish. You're not bound by gender things. You're so
Okay, so this is hopefully I don't go haywire like the water made me go. That might be off. That might be off.
Okay.
That top bit is frothed pretty much in the water. Hopefully this makes it taste better.
It does. You're not supposed to drink cordial straight, you weirdo.
Really?
Do you know how cordial works?
It tasted terrible.
Yeah.
It's okay. Okay, so honey. Please don't make this taste terrible. Then we have to bring in the secret ingredient.
Comment below what the secret ingredient is.
Clue, chocolate.
Okay. That's basically the whole
Oh,
thing,
look at the
right?
bottom of that. No, go from underneath.
Okay, but you can't
honey.
really see much.
Okay, there's honey. Oh, well from here then. There's honey. You see the honey?
You have to mix it in. Hold on. Stir it because honey. That's how honey works. Oh, ew.
You don't have to drink this. Why did I agree to this again?
Because you're my friend.
That's what friends are for.
Don't eat that.
I just didn't taste it good.
Okay.
Let's just put that to the side. 3, 2, 1.
Did you even taste it?
It tastes good.
Should we add boiled water to make the honey more predominant?
No, thank you.
Okay. Oopsie doopsie, let's find out the next ingredient. Oh. Hi.
Okay, so you ready to see what the last ingredient is? If any of you got it, good job.
It's your last time to comment.
3, 2, 1.
I think they already saw it, but okay.
It does not matter, but
It's the longest drink in town flavored milkshake syrup. And this isn't a milkshake, is it?
No, it's this really okay tasting thing that's about to taste terrible.
Let's see what happens. Pour it in.
I can't.
Do you want me to help?
Yeah. Okay, so Pearl doesn't know, but I'm about to prank her and be like, oh my god, that's so bad, and I'm gonna run out and hide. This is gonna be hilarious. I'm gonna run out through the door.
Hey guys, I'm back. Let's do this.
3, 2, 1, go.
She can roll. Oh my goodness.
Oh no.
Did you see the color change? It
We
looks
might
like
Pearl, we might put another one of that in slow mo,
It
shall
looks
we?
like Coke.
We'll turn that. We could do a prank on your parents with this.
Okay, like the next video of that prank.
Okay.
Prank video.
3, 2, 1. No.
Hamish? Where are you going?
No.
Where are you going? Hamish, where'd you go?
Like and subscribe. Anyway.
Hi everyone, this is the end of the video, so I should be saying bye. If you like Mr. Pumpkin guy over here, then like this video and comment that you like him. If you didn't like this video, dislike it, because that's how it works. And have sadness.
Don't dislike the video, please.
Okay,
Anyway.
don't dislike it then.
Then we're about to make a prank video.
Yeah, we'll make a prank video soon or something. Bye! Say bye.
Bye.